Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning the 25 most frequently used words in daily life. Hello.
Γεια σου.
Bye.
Αντίο.
Yes.
Ναι.
No.
Όχι.
Thank you.
Ευχαριστώ.
You're welcome.
Παρακαλώ.
Sorry.
Συγγνώμη.
How are you?
Τι κάνεις?
Good.
Καλό.
Bad.
Κακό.
It's okay.
Εντάξει.
Maybe.
Ίσως.
Of course.
Φυσικά.
I.
Εγώ.
You.
Εσύ.
You.
Εσείς.
He.
Αυτός.
She.
Αυτή.
We.
Εμείς.
They.
Αυτή.
What?
Τι.
When?
Πότε.
Where?
Πού.
Why?
Γιατί.
How?
Πώς.
Quiz time.
Εσύ. Εσύ. Φυσικά. Φυσικά.
The answer is
Ευχαριστώ. Ευχαριστώ. Αντίο. Αντίο.
The correct answer is
Πότε. Πότε. Συγγνώμη. Συγγνώμη.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next video.